we got a 2019 Ford Ecosport key fob. This is how you replace the battery. We're going to open up the key part, flip it open, and we're going to take this back panel off here. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver. Now if we look on the side here, there's a little slot that's made for your little screwdriver. It's right here towards the middle. Hopefully you can kind of see that it's right there. So we're going to put this in there like that, and we're going to give it a little bit of a twist. Twist it a little bit, okay? And that cracks it open. You see how it cracked open towards the back here? And then we'll go around and just snap this panel off. It can be a little sticky, especially when they get old. And here's our battery here. Now we're gonna pry it off from the top here, like that. And it should come right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in the bottom first. It's a little holder there. And we can press it in here like that. Okay, now if you need a battery or you need the size again, check down in the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the battery and the size. So we're gonna start at the top, work our way down, snap this guy back together. When you got it together, you can fold the key in and you're all done.